Which one is better, Malaysia stocks or US stocks? Last week, I talked about property versus stocks. If you have missed the video, check it out on the above. This week, I'm going to discuss more on stocks. Which one is better? Is it Malaysia stocks or US stocks? Hi, I'm Eva Wong here, your wealth coach to achieve early retirement. If you wish to learn how to retire early, subscribe to this channel here. I've started stock investment since 2008 during the time of financial crisis. When we are beginners, we always think that we should start with something that is local. Is that right? But don't make the same mistake as me. After listening to this video, you might change your mind. But do note that this video is for education purpose and all the ideas presented are solely my own opinion. So do your own research before you invest. First, when we invest, we want to have more return in the long run. But looking at KLCI index from May 2006 to November 2021, the index has merely grown about 65% over the last 15 years. Compared to the US stock market, the S&P 500 index has grown nearly 270% from May 2006 to November 2021. Through this, you can see how easy you can earn just from the index in the long run if you are tapping on the right stock market. Just make sure that you are investing in those top companies in the country. Second, when we invest, we want to have more liquidity. We can only get high liquidity in a market which has high stock volume traded. In terms of the volume traded, the US market is ranked number 1 in the world. Malaysia is at the 25th place based on the 2018 data. In addition, as of January 2020, the US stock market comprises 54.5% of the total stock market capitalization by country. It is followed by Japan, UK, and China. Now, which country's stock market is more liquid based on the data given? Third, you want to be more flexible when you invest. The minimum investment in the US stock market is just 1 unit of the stock, which is equivalent to 1 share. However, in Malaysia stock market, there is a minimum purchase of 1 lot of the stock, which is equivalent to 100 shares. Assuming the stock price is equal, the starting capital in Malaysia market will be higher than the US market. Fourth, there are more choices on how you want to trade the stocks in the US. In the US market, short selling is allowed. In Malaysia, it is not allowed. Hence, you can only profit when the market is up in Malaysia. But in the US market, there is chance for you to profit either way of the market, whether market is going up or down. For example, when there is bad news released for a listed company, the stock price is likely to go down in price. In such case, you can only avoid buying the stock in Malaysia, which you have no chance to profit at all. But in the US, you can take the chance to short sell the stock and earn some money while the stock price is moving down. Fifth, the option instrument for stock in the US market is more matured. Option is the type of contract which allows the buyer of the option contract, depending on the type of the option contract, to buy or sell the underlying stocks at a specific price at the expiration date. In the US market, many sophisticated investors use this instrument to protect their stock investment portfolios. However, this tool has limited protection to retail investors in Malaysia. You might not understand what option is, but you just need to know that it is an insurance protection for the investment. If you can't have proper investment protection, what would be your investment winning chance then? So, the above are the 5 reasons which I personally think the US stock market is better than the Malaysia stock market. However, do note that there are disadvantages too in investing in the US stock market. Investing in the US stock market means higher price volatility and having the foreign currency risk. It is up to individual investors to evaluate whether the return is worth taking this risk. If you have not started investing, perhaps it is time to understand more and start the journey to protect your money being eaten up by the inflation. I've released few videos relating to investment which you might want to watch. That's all for my sharing this time, and thank you for watching this video, and I do hope you like it. Comment below which stock market you prefer after watching this video. Do subscribe to this channel for more early retirement tips, and I hope to see you again. Bye!